Grand Isle Resort and Residences is a luxurious all-villa retreat on Emerald Bay's pristine sands in Great Exuma, Bahamas, offering a serene escape amid turquoise waters and lush landscapes. This upscale property, ideal for families, couples, or weddings, sits on a stunning beachfront, with easy access to nearby Coco Plum Beach and Pig Beach excursions. Accommodations feature spacious 1 to 4 bedroom villas, up to 5,000 square feet, with full kitchens equipped with stainless appliances, laundry facilities, living rooms with flat-screen TVs, and private balconies or patios overlooking the ocean or gardens. Bedrooms boast king beds with premium linens, and bathrooms include deep tubs, rainfall showers, and luxury toiletries. Free Wi-Fi and daily housekeeping ensure comfort. Amenities include an infinity edge pool with cabanas, a full-service spa for massages and facials, a fitness center, and complimentary non-motorized water sports like kayaking and snorkeling. Guests enjoy beach lounges, hot tubs, and access to a nearby Greg Norman-designed golf course. The 24-hour concierge arranges boat tours or car rentals. Dining highlights the on-site 23 North restaurant, serving Bahamian seafood, steaks, and international fare with ocean views. Breakfast buffet feature fresh fruits and made-to-order eggs. Poolside bars offer cocktails and light bites. Activities revolve around beach relaxation, swimming with pigs, island hopping, or yoga sessions. Evenings bring live music. Pros include the breathtaking beach and water, attentive staff who personalize service, spacious clean villas, and peaceful ambience fostering safety and romance. However, the remote location requires a car for exploration, limited on-island dining. Pool maintenance can lapse with scum buildup. Value feels low for high prices, and facilities show minor wear like dated decor. Overall, it's a idyllic Bahamian haven blending luxury and natural beauty for memorable getaways.